Welcome to Transpower Your Life with me, Malcolm Stephens. In this session of Transpower Your Life, we're going to look at the aspect of genesis of transpower and transformation. Now, where does transformation begin? And as I say, every change and every process of transformation begins in your mind. Over a period of time, people have been talking about mind a lot these days. We have been talking about mind, and everything happens in the mind. But if you see, right through our school days, nobody actually pinpointed where the mind is located. So when I go to schools these days, and these little ones ask me, "Sir, where is mind?" And I say, mind is in your brain. The brain is your hardware, the computer. And the software is your mind. It's like a computer system. So you need a software to make the computer actually useful for you. So if you actually see, there are three types of people who go around in this world. In the first lot, you find these people are still walking around with a factory-fitted software or factory-loaded software. They still are carrying the obsolete software and they have not upgraded the version of the software. The second set of people who get their mind infected with virus because they don't have an antivirus check which is being run in their brain. And the third are people who keep updating their information. They keep updating the software, put on the new versions of the software. And you see, these are the guys who actually make things happen. And if you look at the mind per se, I always say mind is like a dog. And there are a lot of people who keep dogs at home as pets. And what do you do with the dog? I mean, in the morning and the evening, you need to mandatorily do something. And what do? You take them out for a walk. So there are two types of people again. If you ask both these guys that where are they going, they'll say that they're taking the dog out for a walk. But you see, in the first case, you'll find the dog is pulling the master and the dog is taking the master for a walk. You ask this guy, "Where are you going, sir?" And he says that I'm taking the dog for a walk. Actually, who is walking whom? Actually, the dog is taking the owner for a walk. And in the second case, you have the owner taking the dog for a walk. Mind is something like that. We don't train the mind keeps taking us for a walk. You're watching television, suddenly the mind shows the picture of your boss, and there goes everything. Because you have now changed the focus from the movie on the television set to thinking about office work. When things are going perfectly okay with you, the mind says, "Why are you so happy? Where are the problems?" And that gets you started, and possibly you go and pick up a fight with somebody, and you have a problem now, and the mind says, "Okay, now chill out, relax." Mind is something like that. You need to train your mind. The mind, in my previous session, we said you need to stretch. You need to stretch and take it to the next dimension for the transformation process to begin, or for you to experience what is transformation. Now, why is it that some people don't transform? It's primarily because they are happy with only change, and that too a momentary change. The mind is stretched, taken to a particular level, and they give up, and the mind goes back to its original position. And when you want to transform, and you want to ensure that transformation is happening, and it's going to be a permanent change, you need to stretch your mind, take it to the next dimension from where you don't come back to your original position. So whenever you want to transform, whenever you want to transform any aspect of your life, you need to ensure that the thought in your mind is stretched and stretched and stretched, and is taken to a new dimension from where you would not come back to the original position. So the genesis of transformation, or the beginning of transformation, happens in your mind.